Welcome to Review Lab. The best Stanley Lid is probably one of the most essential accessories for your beloved Stanley 40-ounce tumbler, ensuring that your drinks stay perfectly sealed, preventing those dreaded spills during your commute or workout, and maintaining the ideal temperature of your beverages for longer periods, making it an indispensable item for anyone who relies on their tumbler throughout the day for hydration and enjoyment. Number 5. 2-pack 40-ounce tumbler flip straw lid replacement for Stanley Quencher. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, these lids are odorless, durable, and BPA-free. They are designed for long-term reuse and are easy to clean, even withstanding high temperatures without deforming. Our replacement flip lids are engineered to prevent liquid leaks, ensuring a secure and spill-proof experience. You can carry or store your tumbler with confidence, knowing that splashes are a thing of the past. These lids offer versatile compatibility, specifically designed to fit your 40-ounce Stanley cup. The extended straw ensures a perfect fit for various tumbler models, making them an essential accessory. Featuring a convenient push-button design, you can easily open the lid with just one hand, perfect for when you're on the go or driving. Enjoy effortless hydration with our easy-to-use flip straw. This set includes 2 replacement lids and 4 sturdy straws made from high-quality tritan material. These straws are resistant to deformation and breakage, suitable for both hot and cold drinks. Enhance your tumbler experience with this simple yet stylish replacement set. Designed for convenience and durability, they are perfect for various occasions and daily use. What we like? This set offers a complete replacement with 2 lids and 4 upgraded straws, ensuring you always have a spare. If you're prone to losing parts or want to ensure long-term usability without frequent replacements, this is the ideal choice for your 40-ounce tumbler. What people say? It's perfect for the price and a perfect fit. Very spill-proof. Fits perfectly. I like my large circle cup but didn't like that I couldn't use it as a regular tumbler without the circle flavor thing, so these are perfect. Also, truly spill-proof, which is a bonus for moms. The lid works great so far. The original lid did not have the rubber around the rim and a very small tip overstressed the grooves of the screw-down lid that it would start flaking off in my drink. It would eventually have a large section of the screw gone. I like the format of the other lid, but I feel this one will be more resilient and it does seal down beautifully to keep it from spilling. Overall, it does the job and that is what I need it to do. Number 4. Stanley 40-ounce tumbler lid replacement, cream. Don't replace your entire tumbler. This replacement lid is a cost-effective way to refresh your favorite cup. It fits perfectly, saving you money and hassle. Enjoy versatile drinking options with our advanced lid. It features 3 modes: straw, wide mouth, or fully sealed, adapting to how you like to sip. Our lid is designed for mess-free hydration. With a high-quality seal and silicone O-ring, it effectively prevents spills and resists splashing, keeping your belongings safe. Crafted from durable, BPA-free, food-grade plastic, this lid is safe for all your beverages. You can trust its quality for everyday use. Cleaning is a breeze with this lid. Both the lid and straw are dishwasher safe, and a cleaning brush is included for thorough residue removal. What we like? Experience ultimate versatility with its 3-mode swivel lid, straw opening, wide mouth, or fully closed for spill prevention. If you enjoy having options for how you drink and want a lid that adapts to your preferences while saving you money on a new tumbler, this is the one for you. What people say? The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. It's easy to clean and the straw is a good size. The lid is durable and has held up well to daily use. Number 3. Stanley 40-ounce tumbler lid, 2-pack. Ensure a perfect fit for your 40-ounce Stanley Quencher 2.0. These lids are designed specifically for your tumbler. Crafted from high-quality AS and PP materials, these lids are non-toxic and BPA-free. They are also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy a spill-proof experience with our professional design. The straw opening resists splashes, and the full cover top offers enhanced leak resistance. The lid features a secure seal for your reusable straw and a separate drink opening. The full cover top provides extra protection against leaks. You will receive 2 tumbler lids compatible with your 40-ounce Stanley. We also offer a satisfaction guarantee for your peace of mind. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, we'll be happy to assist you with a refund or exchange. What we like. Designed for a perfect fit with the 40-ounce Stanley Quencher 2.0, this lid offers a professional design that resists splashes and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you prioritize a secure fit and effortless maintenance for your tumbler, this option provides both convenience and peace of mind. What people say. Fits perfectly on my Stanley. It is very easy to clean and use. The lid fits snugly, just like the original, and it seals well to prevent any leaks. Number 2. Stanley Quencher 40-ounce tumbler lid, 2-pack. These lids are designed to fit your 40-ounce Stanley Quencher perfectly. They also fit other 40-ounce vacuum-insulated stainless steel tumblers. Crafted from top-quality AS and PP materials, these lids are non-toxic and BPA-free. They are dishwasher safe and safe for direct contact with your drinks. Say goodbye to messy spills. Our lids are designed to prevent those dangerous drips from ruining your clothes. Enjoy a cleaner drinking experience. The straw opening is designed to resist splashes and keeps your reusable straw securely in place. Cleaning and using these lids is a breeze. They are designed for your convenience and quick maintenance. You'll receive a pack of 2 spill-proof and splash-resistant tumbler lids. We also offer a satisfaction guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This lid boasts a universal fit, compatible not only with the Stanley Quencher but also other 40 ounces vacuum-insulated stainless steel tumblers. If you own multiple brands of tumblers or are looking for a reliable spill-proof option that's also dishwasher safe, this is a versatile and practical selection. What people say. These replacement lids fit perfectly on my Stanley tumbler and seal extremely well. The material actually feels sturdier and better quality than the original lid, and it closes tightly without leaking. They're easy to clean, easy to open, and the colors match exactly what's shown in the pictures. Number 1. Stanley Tumbler Replacement Lids, 2 PCS. Introducing a set of 2 high-quality replacement lids, designed to perfectly fit your Stanley Adventure Quencher travel tumbler. Enjoy a seamless fit for your 40 ounces and 64-ounce models. These lids are incredibly easy to install, getting you back to enjoying your beverage in no time. Plus, they are designed for simple and hassle-free cleaning. Experience superior protection with these lids. They offer excellent splash resistance, keeping your drink contained, and provide effective heat insulation to maintain your beverage's temperature. Crafted from high-quality materials, these replacement lids are built to last. You can rely on their durability for everyday use. Don't let a worn-out lid disrupt your hydration routine. Upgrade your Stanley tumbler with these reliable and functional replacement lids today. What we like. Enjoy enhanced functionality with features like splash resistance, heat insulation, and easy cleaning. If you're looking for a replacement lid that offers practical benefits for daily use, especially during travel, this option provides a comfortable and secure drinking experience. What people say. These lids fit my 40-ounce Stanley perfectly and work great as a replacement lid. They look pretty identical just without the Stanley logo, and they are cheaper than the brand lids. They also come apart and make washing easy, similar to the brand, which I love. I like it because the outer ridge is not as deep as the original lid. It makes drinking directly from the cup without a straw easier. Fits perfectly, and I love the different options to drink out of it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.